All right. So in for the other side that I tried to use and it refused to work. So this is the part 2 of the video. So still on the mockup. I love the mockup of this site more than Canva. So not that Canva is not good. Canva is very good, but just that the mockup of this site is actually for the book. There are some things that are meant for some other things. So the mistake I made here, I was supposed to click on upload instead of browse. Click on upload, or first of all click on browse, or rather still click on this box here, click on it and pick that image and use it. Then click on upload. You can see it has been uploaded. So this other side as well, click on this box here, click on the box, double click, just click on the box here. So and pick the book that you want and also click on upload for the second one. So you can see the upload for the second one. Click on upload. So let's see whether it's loading. Okay, let's wait for it. I think it's trying to load. So it's loading. Let's wait for it. It's loading. They are both loading. Okay, once you are done, when it has been uploaded, you can just click on next. Click on next over here. So once you click on next, okay, just make sure you pick PNG. PNG has the highest quality. Just pick PNG. Then so if you can remember, I edited the picture before on my phone. So the reason what I did here, I actually changed my phone to desktop mode so that I can see what I'm doing. So I'm picking the one. This is the one I edited. This was the original. This one was the original one, but this one was the one I edited. So pick the one that has lesser data or lesser MB. So click on browse and pick the one that has lesser MB and click on upload. So they are both uploading. Just wait for it. Make sure you wait because I had an issue. Make sure you wait till it got uploaded finish. Alright, so you can see everything has been uploaded and the image itself has shown fully. So make sure you subscribe to my channel as well, please. It's not easy making this video. It's not easy at all. Making this video is not easy. Then click on next. So please and please. So although it's not a must you subscribe. So if you just like, just subscribe. So you either pick PNG or, so I think I've gone through this before. Just pick PNG. All right, so I was done. So I'm done with the. Let me show you the. All right, so guys, we are done with the mockup. You can see this mockup, although it's almost the same thing as Canva, but I don't know why I just prefer this. So just go to the comment section and ask me any question, or if this is what you prefer, or you prefer the one of Canva, just let me know the one you like. So thank you so much for waiting to watch the video finish. Make sure you watch the former video. There was a video I made before this one. So in case you have not watched it, the video is about 17 minutes. So make sure you watch the video, and also you can increase the duration of video in case you don't want to waste your time. You can just increase the duration, fast track that, like you are fast forwarding a video to watch. So make sure you go to my channel, click on the channel name and watch other videos I've done before now, and make sure you click on the subscription box, subscription icon, and also click on that notification icon as well, and also subscribe to my Telegram channel. In case I drop a new video, you'll be the first to watch that video. And in case you want to reach me on WhatsApp, just go to the description section. You see my WhatsApp link there. You can chat me on WhatsApp. So thank you guys. I really appreciate your time. So you might be wondering, how do you download from here? So once you are here, this is the third stage. You click on PNG. Make sure you pick PNG. Make sure you pick this PNG. Let me try to make sure you pick the PNG. So once you click on the PNG, it will automatically download the video for you. The What's it called? The stuff for you. And when it gets downloaded, it will download for you. It will download it. Just go to your download and you can see I've downloaded like two of it. And the sweet thing about it is that the background of this ebook cover or this mock-up is transparent. You can see this was one I made from Canva. I think I made like two from Canva. I made this one also from Canva, but I didn't really like the way it looks. You can see I don't really like. So this I also did this. I used my phone as well to make this, but it has been a long time. So let me know what you want, and you can make a lot from this mock-up design. There are many jobs on Upwork and Fiverr that will pay you in dollars just to design this book. Okay, so in case you want me to talk more on this course, you can reach me or go to the comment section and type it. Just say, tell me what you want me to, what video you want me to, what you want me to make video on in the nearest future. Just type things you want me to make video on, and you can see it's not easy making this video. Just do me favor, just appreciate my service today by subscribing and also sharing the video, and also give me a like. As please, I beg, give me like. It's not easy, it's not easy at all. Spending hours on this video is not easy. All right guys, so love you all, so peace out, thank you so much.